Hi guys. Parang hindi lang gumawa ng OPCRF kanina. Oh. Hi, Mom Glance. Hi, Mom Lipin. Hi, Mami.
Ay, sorry.
Uy, si Ma'am Claire ay nagphotocopy sa bugo ko. Ayo, oh. Ayun pa. La, nagano man mo cellphone din eh.
Wala sakto ra sad, no?
Grabe sa. Hi everyone, we're here at Pangasinan. 1 more hour and we'll be going to Baguio. But we have a bus stop for tawag dito. For 30 minutes. Kain ng lugaw. Masarap. Masarap ba Ma'am Gladys? Masarap?
Pila ni?
Ma'am Dot. And of course, kumain din kami ng dalawang baboy. Dalawang baboy is the 2 pig. No, kumain ka. Interview tayo. By the way, it's 3A. Masarap ba, Ma'am Lipin? Masarap? Ano yung tupig? Nasyak si Ma'am Lipin. Bakit pakakainin siya ng tubig?
Klaro kang mag-play tubig.
Oh, sir, first try of tubig.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Kainin ang tubig.
Ikaw?
Sarap, pero banana chips hindi talaga.
Ikaw kumain ka ng tubig. Anong masasabi mo sa tubig?
Mas masarap ako.
Ah? Ma'am Pars, kumain ka ng tubig, Ma'am Pars.
Awake, alert Wapa, di pa lima
Nang luspad na. Among main character ng luspad, kaya maglakaw na lang siya pa.
Palabasin niya sa sasakyan si Abigail
Bahala. Bahala na lang kahapong init kistanan. Uy, kato lang ako Ay, no. Try mo man ikuan sa kanang shopping ko.
Ma'am Clay. Yay!
Hi! Hi guys! We're so having fun here and it's so amazing. And you know what? I don't like it. I don't Ay, akong cellphone! Ay, iba mo lang custody! Dapat iba mo lang custody! Hello, Jersey!
Awa ko ng phone. Awa ko cellphone.
Masugo kayo. Matagal pa kayo ng bayad na kanakuha?
Ay, ni Brio.
Ay, di ba ginagit ito ikuhan?
Na yun, isugat. Ala, ito ni tapuhan. Ay, nakuha na ito ng video.
Nakuha siya.
Yepe!
Put your hands up.
Ay, may panapapicture tato niya. Asa mo to si May? Ashley!
Hey, Ashley. Sige.
Where's Ashley? Kailangan tayong mapapicture kay Ashley. Nasaan si Ashley? Ayun, nakaupo si Ashley. Mapapicture tayo. Hi! Hi, Ma'am Lipin! Hi, Ma'am Glance! Hi,
Gusto ka, tapos gawas. Uy. Hey, put your hands up. Come on. Asa man siya dapit? Dapat wala bang siya?
Kaya, malit at naligsan?
Paano siya?
Ay, ari sa pikas at mangno. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Nilalapat yun na. Okay na? Oh.
Ang saan sila po ay? Ay, tara di ay, si Ma'am Clyde. Hi, Ma'am Clay! Hi, Ma'am Clay! Hi, Ma'am Clay!
Una! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go!
Sila!
Guys, sila yun! Let's go, let's go!
Hoy! Hoy! Hoy!
Hey!
Hoy, mabangga. Banggaan pag ina.
Yan, ka mo try?
Oh.
Lumapin ako, di ka kadaog. Let's go, guys! Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you doing today? How are you doing with your life? You know what? The people, I don't like you. Let's go. Pass. Oh, hey.
I need to cover.
Because she's pretty, but I'm prettier.
Para na tayo naghuhubo nito eh.
Para tayo mga Viva Max eh. Oh, it's so cute. Hello guys. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for having with us and having with me and having with her. I like it. Oh, bye-bye. See, so how are you going to describe your experience here in Davao, Singapore?
Siyempre, thankful.
Thank you, Lord. Why are you thankful? Can you spell
Because-
the thankful?
I am driving a sikat now.
Oh, she's so thoughtful. She's so
Imagine,
amazing.
yeah.
She's so batignaw. Okay?
Imagine diba?
Imagine all
From
the
being
people.
a teacher ngayon, gusto ko na lang maging sikat
Sika driver. Because you know what? It's also a noble profession. Hello. What can you say about your experience here in Davao? Davao ta. Ayaw magsaba. See, it's so fun. It's so fun in Davao. But why are you wearing like that?
Because I feel like
You feel like a Disney princess. Ma'am Pars, some of the tela is going Trevalo. Okay. It's dirty already. Just like this, oh. Because it fell down and broom. Boom, tara. Kapoy na ka, no? Ako na, be. Ako na sad. The original Sika driver is back. And bye for now, guys, because I need to do the task, to do my job. Thank you so much for...
Hi everyone, good day. Hello everyone. We are now in Mines View. Wherein akala mo hindi siya plantita pero ang mata patingin-tingin. Alam ko na ang iyong gagawin.
kung malapit lang sana to.
Ikaw ay nagtitiis lang dyan.
Yung jacket mo at saka bag mo.
Ayan, hala. Magkano po ito, ate?
50 isang session.
Ay, hindi, ito.
500 din.
Katleya? Yeah, hindi naman siya ganun din kamahal, no? 500 lang naman.
600 yan.
Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak.
Moneymaker.
Saan? Moneymaker? Pagising ko sa umaga, may pera ng tutubo. Moneymaker kasi. Ayan, dira mo. Hala, may dogs na ulit. Si Pulguso. Dira, Ma'am Kuan. Ma'am Lipin. Mag-chess costume ka na dyan.
Sugod ng program.
Sayo na mo. Kasi next presenter.
Presenter number 1, presenter number 2.
Arita, Abisan. Ano? Abisan na to.
Magdamit na.
Mata na sa tao diri. Oh. Matarik, matarik. Oh. Picture ka dito. Ayan.
Nakaala kayo karan?
Bukain kami, babe. Bukain kami picture, babe.
Sige, go.
Ay, Pao.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Restroom. Pila man kailang restroom dito. Oh. That's the view. Hmm.
Perfect. Ari ko, be. Ari ko, be.
Hi everyone, here at Diplomat Hotel.
Hi, vlog.
And Baguio. Ayan, ayan, Diplomat Hotel. Woo, super nice. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
So, where are you now?
I'm going to there. Oh,
Oh, what's
over
there?
there. And it's back. Let's go. Let's go. Hi.
Sama na.
Asa ka ako? Kita ka mo? Sus, bakit ako yun ano ako? Bakit? Kurang hindi ko kapit ko.
Ariabi center. Uy, this side also is ano ka nung mga gwapa ming abi. Explain. Sa mong mga ginikan. Pero,
Our parents are very
here.
free.
Here. This one, the door. It looks like, sige abi, go posing abi. Okay, 1, 2, 3, hulo. Hulo. Uy, giving kayo. Bari ka to, ganang ko to. Ganang ko to mo ta. Ah. Like in the side. That is the entrance of the Diplomat Hotel. Picture. Oh. Basta na ha. Bantarin mo mamasag picture ha. So, ano tayo mo ma-stress sa itong laag karon?
It's so amazing.
Amazing. Ikaw? Sa Mr. mo? Tiring. Ikaw, ma'am?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Makaluya, pero worth it.
Okay. Nindot kay diri guys sa kuan sa ganini igoro ko sa ning videohan diri tanan ha. Ang kanindot sa Stone Kingdom ha. Oh, na ning kapyot na ngadto. Sao na ron siya. Ning kapyot na siya diha. Dayon.
Okay,
Be. Na naman na. Chede. Ano saman ka mamlipin?
na pa kurtina lagi. Sama sa ring.
Pigi may wapay tao ba?
Ibali ang ka.
Noy. Aircon on, aircon on. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Hi. Ari demo.
Goodness gracious. Show you my shop.